When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your living space, few things warm and timeless charm quite like wood decoration pieces from integrate curve figurines to elegant design wall hanging. These wooden accent effortlessly issue character and style into any rooms, either you are drawn to rustic lore of reclaimed wood, a refined beauty of polished maple, and what style of wooden decor allow to endless possibilities to completing diverse interior design theme. Explore the nature, grants, texture, and use of wood to create with their ability to evoke a sense of craftsmanship and aesthetically these handcrafted wood decorations serve as focal points, adding depth and visual interest to your home decor. Imbue your space with your organic, warm, and enduring allure to wood decoration pieces, transforming your surrounding into an inviting sanctuary filled with unparalleled elegance and charm. Wood decoration pieces offer timeless beauty and parallel charm to any space, from intricate figurines to elegant designs, while recent these pieces optimize craftsmanship and artistic finance. The diverse range include handcrafted sculpture, ornate walls, and sticking wall hanging, with showcasing the nature, beauty, and unique grain pattern of wood. Explore the rich history behind these techniques that bring each piece to life. Diverse how these versatile decorations effortlessly blend with different interior style, adding warmth and character to reclaimed wood, sleek sphonification or polish finish. These decoration become charged focal point to any room of space. Few things compare to timeless elegance and nature layout of wooden decoration pieces. The exquisite artisans effortlessly behind sphonification with distinct charm, influencing any room with warmth and character, from integrate curve eagerness to artically carved walls and face wooden decor themes serve as captivating focal points, elevating the aesthetic appeal of your home with versatility of wood allow to diverse range of style. The versatility of wood allow for a diverse range of style, from sleek and modern design to integrate detailed traditional pieces, catering to multitude of taste and performance. Other adoring shelves, tabletops, walls. These handcrafted rear exude a sense of craftsmanship and aesthetically that effortlessly captivate the eye of spark. Conversion, embrace the beauty of nature within your home with these stunning wooden decoration. Each piece is a testament to the artistry of enduring allure to nature of material. Either you are drawn to rustic allure of element, serve as more the adornment. They tell story and evoke emotions. becoming chart sheet focal point when you home or space. This the sense of wood decoration pieces inviting viewers to explore their beauty, craftsmanship, versatility, and culture significance. Discover how this versatile decoration, modern, minimalist, and traditional setting, whether you are rather